Hi everyone, welcome back to Dolliecious Cravings. Today I'm making a rich and creamy burnt Basque cheesecake that's famous for its caramelized top and custardy center. Stay tuned and watch how I bake a burnt look cheesecake that tastes divine. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients we need for this recipe, and I will be including this in my description box. Okay, let's start. Put the cream cheese and make sure it's a room temperature in a bowl and cut it into small pieces to make it easier to beat. Add the sugar, then use a hand mixer to beat until smooth and creamy. The Burnt Basque Cheesecake was originated in San Sebastian, Spain in the 1990s, but it only went viral worldwide during the pandemic in 2020. And in the Philippines, it became a hit because home bakers and small businesses started selling it online when people were craving comfort desserts during lockdown. Now in a separate bowl, let's crack 3 eggs. And para masigurado natin na fresh yung eggs, ginagawa ko is nakaseparate siya pagka binibreak ko to make sure na walang bulok sa mga eggs. Now let's add the eggs ng paisa-isa into our cream cheese mixture, mixing well after each addition. Filipinos love creamy and cheesy desserts katulad ng leche flan, yema, cheesecake, and so on. Kaya swak na swak ang caramelized top and custard-like center ng Burnt Basque Cheesecake. And then social media boosted its fame. Its unique sunog pero masarap look stood out in photos, making it Instagrammable and trendy. And then next step is to pour all the all-purpose cream and mix it until smooth. Sift in the flour para sigurado lang na pino siya, walang buo-buo. Salain natin siya kagaya nito. Now put the vanilla extract. Let's squeeze in some lemon juice. I think 1 tablespoon is enough. Then add some salt. Then beat again until the batter is smooth and well combined. Adding lemon juice is an optional procedure, but it gives a tangier flavor or maasim na lasa, especially if you're not using a premium cream cheese like Philadelphia. For this cream cheese, I use the Anchor brand, which is already good, but it lacks the tang I got from Philadelphia. Prepare the pan by lining it with parchment paper, making sure that the paper goes higher than the edges of the pan. And this helps the cheesecake rise. You don't need to grease the paper. Pour the cheesecake mixture into the prepared pan. And while doing this procedure, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake this cheesecake at 220 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. The top should be very dark brown, almost burnt, while the center stays slightly jiggly. Let the cheesecake cool completely in the pan, then refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight before slicing. And that's it. Just a quick tip: to get perfect slices, use a sharp knife. Ilubog nyo lang siya sa hot water, then punasan nyo, and then you can slice and repeat. If If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming recipes. Once again, this is Dolliecious Cravings saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.